What's up guys, welcome back to my car. Today I have a quick video for you, something that happened to me when I was delivering today. Something that shouldn't have happened. So I want to just share it with you guys, make sure that y'all aren't making this mistake. But before we get started, I want to share my newest merch design. I'm wearing it right now. Manifest big tips and short trips. Isn't that what we're always aiming for? So if you're interested in this design, it comes in many colors and the inside is super soft. I wish you guys could feel this. It's so cozy. I'll have this linked below. So this morning I got an order from Dunkin' Donuts. I have the screenshot right here because I take a screenshot of every single order that I do if I remember to. It was $8.80, which is, I mean, pretty good for a Dunkin' Donuts, and it was only 1.6 miles, so of course I jumped on it. But when I got there, they said that I was the 5th person to come and pick up for that name. And obviously they already gave it to the first person that came. So what happened was the first driver picked it up and probably just, kept it for themselves and pushed in the app, they canceled it in the app where it just goes to the next driver, the next driver, the next driver, because no one's actually calling support to cancel it out correctly. So that is what I did, because I would feel bad if people just keep coming and coming. Once they said that, I was like, okay, I gotta call them. You may think that if you click the order has already been picked up, it will actually tell support that the order has already been picked up. But it doesn't. It just apparently goes to the next driver. Just like as if you push that you want to get out of the order. Like if something comes up and you got to get out of the order. I kind of do that sometimes. No shame. But I think people were just doing that and they weren't actually canceling the order. No one called support. So yes, I took the time to call support and cancel it correctly. I was paid half pay, which was $4, which I was actually surprised because in the past when I've done it, I wasn't paid anything. And one time I was paid $2 for a $10 order, and I just basically got paid to make the phone call. So if you ever come across one of these orders that the staff says that they already gave it to somebody and you're the 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th person to come pick it up, please save other drivers from showing up and wasting more time. Just, take the 5 minutes, call support, cancel it out correctly, because that's what we're supposed to do, and no one has to deal with it anymore. Sometimes it could be a real headache, especially if the staff is rude about it. She actually wasn't rude about it. She's just what name? And she laughed and she's like, you're the 5th person to come and get that. I feel like Uber's playing a joke. And I was like, I will call them and I will let them know. So there was no attitude at all. So I just wanted to make this quick video, just something that happened to me today, something maybe you could look out for and do the right thing if this happens to you. So thank you so much for watching this video. Check out the merch link below, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye!